Social media is a goldmine for businesses, but only if you know how to use it effectively. So in today's episode, we are walking through a step-by-step roadmap to help you master social media for your business growth. So whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, this guide will help you attract your ideal audience, boost engagement, and turn followers into customers. I'm your host, Leanne Cohens, the Digital Success Coach and owner of Marketing Leap. And if you're an entrepreneur looking to grow your business online without the overwhelm, you're in the right place. Let's start with the foundation. You always have to start with your target audience research because social media isn't about shouting into the void. It's about creating content that speaks directly to the people that you want to reach. Start by identifying your ideal customers. What are their goals, their challenges, their interests, and then use tools like Instagram Insights, Facebook Audience Manager, or even simple polls to gather information. Remember, the better you understand your audience, the easier it is to create content that they'll love and then actually engage with. Stop guessing and start researching. You need to know your audience, and your social media strategy will help you with increased growth and engagement. The next thing that you need to do is look at your content planning. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your social media presence. Firstly, create a content calendar to map out what you'll post and when. Balance your content types. You've got to do a mix between educational posts, entertaining reels, and engaging questions. And then think about your audience's journey. What do they need to see at every stage of their decision-making process? By planning ahead, you not only save time, but you also ensure your messaging stays cohesive. So failing to plan is actually planning to fail. Build a content calendar, and then you can watch your social media absolutely thrive. Now let's talk about engagement and community building. Social media is not a one-way street. It's a conversation. Reply to comments, share user-generated content, and start meaningful discussions. Showing your audience that you're actually listening to them builds trust and loyalty. Host live sessions or polls to foster direct interaction, and don't just focus on your own posts. Engage with other creators and your audience's content too, because social media success equals meaningful connections. Engage, respond, and build your brand's community. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, pay to play. Organic reach is fantastic, but sometimes you actually need an extra boost to get your content in front of the right people. Start small, boost your best performing posts to your target audience, and use the platform's insights and analytics to refine your audience targeting and ensure that you're spending wisely and not wasting your money. And remember, even a modest budget can actually lead to increased views, interactions, and conversions if your content and your targeting are spot on. If you want your content to go further, boost it to a targeted audience. Small spend, big impact. So there you have it, a step-by-step roadmap on mastering your social media for business growth. By understanding your audience, planning your content, and engaging consistently and investing strategically, you can transform your social media presence into a powerful business tool. If you're ready to take your social media to the next level, check out the resources linked below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Success for Business podcast for more marketing strategies. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok for extra tips and information. Until next time, remember, social media is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay strategic, and keep growing. If you're ready to grow your business on social media, start with your audience, plan your content, and engage like a pro. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow us on YouTube for even more tips.